An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the Earth's crust caused by the movement of tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are large pieces of the Earth's crust that float on the molten mantle layer below. These plates move due to the movement of the mantle layer, causing friction between the plates. When the friction builds up to a certain point, it is suddenly released in the form of an earthquake. Tectonic plates can move in three different ways: divergent, convergent, and transform boundaries. At divergent boundaries, plates move apart, creating new crust. At convergent boundaries, plates move towards each other and one plate is forced underneath the other, creating a subduction zone. At transform boundaries, plates move past each other horizontally. Earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic activity, landslides, or human-made activities such as drilling or filling of reservoirs. Earthquakes are measured using a device called a seismometer. A seismometer records the vibrations of the Earth's surface and produces a graph called a seismogram. The intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, which ranges from 0 to 10. The Richter scale measures the amount of energy released by an earthquake, with each increase in magnitude representing a 10-fold increase in energy. The level of intensity that is dangerous depends on several factors, including the location of the earthquake, the population density of the area, and the building standards in the area. In general, earthquakes above 5.0 on the Richter scale can cause damage to buildings and infrastructure, while earthquakes above 7.0 can cause extensive damage and loss of life. There are several safety measures that can be taken before, during, and after an earthquake to minimize the risk of injury or death. These include creating an emergency plan with family or co-workers and practicing it regularly, securing heavy objects such as bookshelves, TVs, and appliances to prevent them from falling during an earthquake, identifying safe places to take cover during an earthquake, such as under a desk or table, evacuating buildings or areas if instructed to do so by emergency personnel, checking for gas leaks, down power lines, and other hazards after an earthquake, staying informed about earthquake risks and safety measures in your area. In summary, earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which build up friction and release energy in the form of an earthquake. They are measured using a seismometer and rated on the Richter scale. The level of intensity that is dangerous depends on several factors, and there are safety measures that can be taken to minimize the risk of injury or death during an earthquake. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button icon for the latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.